This summer, the BBC staged
Sunshine today, Scotland and Northern Ireland. Rather grey, cold winds blowing down across England and Wales. Really windy conditions actually, rather cold and cheerless. The strongest winds I think in the next 24 hours are going to migrate northwards up the eastern side of Scotland and into northeast England, with the winds in the south beginning to ease back come tomorrow. Now, it's been a pretty inauspicious start, of course, to the county championship season. Not a ball being bowled at Derby, Nottingham and Worcester today, but Yorkshire weren't complaining. They've done pretty well, composing a pretty good score down at Cardiff, where the skies were somewhat brighter, but only a 6 or 7 degrees, red cheerless up there in the North Midlands throughout the day with that wind blowing. The winds are blowing around this area of low pressure, in fact quite a convoluted area of low pressure, which is still with us and likely to remain with us for the next 24 hours. Not a great deal of rain around. Most of the rain's been in the form of showers across Scotland, patchy rain and drizzle down through the Midlands into eastern England. The heaviest rain's lying through the English Channel coast just at the moment. We can pinpoint that. There are some thunderstorms in that band of rain, just moving a little bit further north at the moment, but then retreating southwards again for the second half of the night. You will find more persistent light rain or drizzle though in the parts of the eastern Midlands and eastern England as we go through the night as well, but not a great deal I wouldn't have thought away from the southeastern corner of the country. Temperatures under the cloud sheet in the wind staying about 5 degrees tonight, but under clearer skies further north and west, well, there certainly will be a touch of frost here. Watch out for your tender plants. Well, there's the low pressure on Friday. You can see the strongest winds are then beginning to move up the North Sea up into eastern Scotland. That's where the windiest weather's going to be. It'll still feel pretty cold everywhere, of course, 8 to 11 degrees typically. That's just a notch up on the figures we saw today. Many places off to a bright start, lots of sunshine the further north and west you are. But for much of central and eastern England again, a cloudy start, murky too, with outbreaks of drizzly rain about. But most of that will die out for the afternoon, just the odd shower left in the southeastern corner. But there will be more showers developing across Scotland than we saw today. And then for the weekend, we'll find the high pressure beginning to move in from the Atlantic Ocean. Still windy up there in the northeast, still chilly wind everywhere, of course, but most places will be dry. There'll be some outbreaks of rain still on the eastern side of Scotland, northeast England first thing. Some showers developing elsewhere, but many places dry. But Sunday looks pretty good, save for some outbreaks of rain just clipping the far north of the country. That's it from me. Bye for now.